Imagine sitting with your friends, and suddenly someone says, "Let's see who can go the longest without blinking." Sounds silly? Well, what if I told you that blinking isn't just a habit, it's a survival tool? Welcome back to What If Labs with another mind-bending episode that'll make your eyes pop. Literally! Think about it. Did you know the average person blinks around 15 to 20,000 times a day? That's once every 4 to 5 seconds. That's over 1 million blinks a year. Your eyes are putting in some serious work without you even noticing. But blinking isn't just eye closing. It's like your eye's self-cleaning wiper system. If your eyes were cars, blinking would be your VIP windshield wipers. Now, let's get a bit more real. Those wipers aren't just pushing water around. They're spreading a complex tear film over your eye. This isn't just saline, folks. It's a multi-layered cocktail of water, oils, and mucus that works like magic. The watery layer keeps your eyes hydrated. The oil layer prevents that water from evaporating too quickly, and the mucus layer helps everything stick evenly to the eye's surface. This tear film doesn't just keep your eyes moist, it also delivers oxygen to the cornea, the clear front part of your eye, and washes away dust, debris, and even tiny bacteria. It's your eye's built-in defense system. So, what happens the moment you stop blinking? Your eyes start drying out like a desert. Say hello to itchy eyes, blurry vision, and that burning sensation like someone tossed chili powder in your eyes. Bro, who put hot sauce in my eyeballs? Oh bro, you just forgot to blink. That burning isn't just discomfort. It's your cornea, the delicate front surface of your eye, crying out for moisture. Without that protective tear film, your eye is exposed, sensitive, and vulnerable. It's not just a little uncomfortable, it's your eye sending out a serious distress signal. Think of trying to walk through a desert without water. Your eyes feel exactly the same way. Guess what? Blinking isn't just about the eyes. Your brain is in on it too. Every time you blink, your brain literally edits that moment out. You don't even notice it happening. So basically, your brain is a YouTuber, cutting every blink like it's editing a vlog. This incredible feat is called saccadic suppression. Your brain is so smart, it knows that during a blink, your vision would just be a blur. So instead of showing you a jumbled mess, it briefly pauses your visual processing and then stitches the images back together seamlessly. It's like your brain is a master editor, making sure your continuous vision isn't interrupted by hundreds of tiny blackouts every day. Even weirder, scientists have found that we often blink at natural breaks in conversation or when we finish a thought. It's not just random. Your brain seems to use blinks as mini breaks to process information or reset your attention. Back in 2015, scientists decided to test this out. They told people, don't blink. Just 30 seconds in, people were struggling. Watery eyes, burning sensation. Some even felt dizzy. Blink now or forever lose your eyeballs! Those watery eyes are a reflex, your body's attempt to compensate for the dryness, but it's not enough. The burning and dizziness are signs of genuine strain. And we've all seen or been in a staring contest, right? Two people, eyes wide open, trying not to blink. 20 seconds in, and their eyes look like glowing red traffic lights. Red! Loser, I give up. My eyes are on fire. Winner, I won, but now I can't see. This isn't just a fun game. It highlights how quickly our eyes protest. Think about how much time we spend staring at screens now. Computers, phones, TVs. This can significantly reduce our blink rate, leading to what's known as digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome. Your eyes are working overtime, but blinking less, leading to dryness, irritation, and fatigue. It's a real problem for the modern world. Now imagine not blinking for an hour, a day, or a week. This isn't just discomfort anymore. This is serious. Here's what's coming: dry eye syndrome, corneal damage, eye infections, and even permanent vision loss.
Let's break it down. Dry eye syndrome becomes chronic when your eyes are constantly parched, leading to persistent irritation and inflammation. Corneal damage occurs because without lubrication, every movement of your eyelid can cause microscopic abrasions on the sensitive cornea. Over time, these can lead to painful ulcers and scarring, directly affecting your vision. And eye infections? Without the constant washing action of tears and their natural antibacterial properties, your eyes become a breeding ground for bacteria and viruses. Ultimately, severe, prolonged damage can lead to irreversible scarring and permanent vision loss. It's not just a theoretical scare, it's a very real threat if you somehow lost the ability to blink. Your eye battery would truly be dead.
Your eye battery is dead, sir.
You don't need drops, you need blinks.
And here's a weird fact. Sometimes a change in blink rate can even be a sign of a medical condition. For example, people with Parkinson's disease often have a significantly reduced blink rate, making them appear to stare. And conditions like hyperthyroidism can cause a similar wide-eyed reduced blink appearance. Our blinks truly are a window to our health. Sure, robots don't blink, but they also don't get dry eyes. Why? Because they're not alive. Thinking of becoming a robot to avoid blinking? Get ready for charging cables and software updates. So remember, blinking isn't just about seeing, it's about living. It's a constant, vital act that keeps our vision clear, our eyes healthy, and our brains processing the world seamlessly. Take a moment, blink, relax, and appreciate that often overlooked, indispensable art. And then ask yourself, what if humans really stopped blinking? Would the world even be the same? Drop a comment. How long can you go without blinking? Challenge your friends and find out. But seriously, don't hurt your eyes doing it. Like, subscribe, and never forget, life is just a blink. But if you never blink, what's the point of life?